car? Did you build this car?
Yeah. Well, I'm not the owner, but I did do the build. The flat, it's a gas engine, right? You realize that?
This is a gas engine?
Yeah. No, it's electric.
Yeah,
actually.
see, that's what I'm saying. I was like, why would you have open headers?
Yeah.
I didn't see it much.
Yeah. No, you notice there's no spark plugs too.
Yeah. Yes. That's the big one. So that's what I'm saying. I was walking by, and at first glance, like you can't really tell what you're looking at. I'm like, how does this thing even work?
Because you probably walked by a couple times.
I did walk by a couple times. I didn't realize. You might just take me.
No, I can take my mask off.
I'm not going to kiss you, I promise.
Why? What's wrong with me?
There's a lot wrong with you.
I know, Rick. He's a good guy.
All right, so let's talk about this.
Sure.
So what's the whole design theory behind it?
So the idea is, and I'm not knocking any guys who are doing like what you're doing and with wires and all that type of stuff. That's cool. There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah. But I wanted for the old farts like me.
I feel attacked by you saying that, by the way. I feel personally.
Wait till I hit you, baby.
The second you say, like, no offense to what you do, I take offense to it immediately. So go ahead.
Well, you're doing the modern stuff, the wires and all that type of stuff. You're not trying to make it look like a traditional car.
No.
So the old farts like me, we like our Flatheads, we like our small block Chevys. That's what I'm trying to get, those type of cars who don't want to convert their car to electric. They don't like Nissan Leaf or what's the other ones that are ugly and all that crap.
They are. Yeah,
they don't like that type of crap. So what I'm doing is, Rick, is I want to be able to make it so that they can take their hot rod. Most of the hot rods have small block Chevys in them.
Yeah.
They pull the small block Chevy out. This Flathead B12 has small block Chevy mounts. It's got the batteries in the block. It's got
everything. So everything's in there.
Batteries in the block, the controller, water pumps, all that stuff is inside the block. And then behind here we've got the electric motor where your transmission is, and a 1.9 gear reduction. So you just bolt this thing in, bolts right to your existing transmission mounts. And in the back we've got an extra capacity because there's about 26 kilowatt pack there.
How much have you got here?
Well, we've got two packs. We got about a 40 kilowatt pack here, so I don't know, 150 miles. No. And the thing is, most hot rodders, they don't need to go long distances, right?
Because they're old.
Because they're old, we'll go get some Geritol down at the corner store, I like to say, I gotta go pee, I gotta go home, or I gotta go poo. They don't want to poo at the grocery store. They won't even let you, or gas station.
You can't go to a gas station.
No, so these are for old poops who need to poo a lot, and they just can go home and poo.
I'm glad you're saying this, because that's what everyone's thinking.
I thought you said it.
I think you had it, madam.
Did you say it or me say it?
You said
Can you cut that, please, and we'll start over? No, we had dinner last night. We're just having a good time, and he invited me out, and he made me pay.
Yeah, I'll cut this part out. I don't want to cheap. I don't want to cheap.
Well, you are cheap.
I am.
You're good looking, but you're cheap.
Thank you very much. I am.
But no, I really appreciate you checking it out, and I got a couple other cars too.
I want to see. So those are outside. You have a '69 Camaro.
So don't put your finger in here.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. I didn't really think this.
Right.
Now we got a '69 Camaro with 500 horsepower. 440 foot-pounds of torque, and that's got 80 kilowatt pack.
Well, that's a bigger pack.
Oh yeah, so you can go 240 kilometers. So that's the guys who don't, not the old guys with diapers. It's the younger guys who don't have to go to the bathroom.
And you have that same lock.
Well, I got it. This is the V12. This is what we got in the Carolina. And it still, if you notice, it still looks like a small block. So we've got that bell there. I made this look a little bit more, science fiction-y or whatever, you know what I mean? And if you look at the block here, I actually, on a small block, it's normally here, I actually raised it up 2.5 inches to give me a little extra room for batteries.
Okay.
But the untrained eyes such as yourself wouldn't notice the difference.
Untrained. But I did
Did you notice it was higher?
Even I did notice. I noticed.
How good looking I am?
Besides that, you really Webb.
Everywhere.
Webb.
My goddamn name's everywhere. Webb here too.
How many more places do you think you can get
here
that
and here, and then you put it on the back where you don't see it.
Yeah, that's a lot.
But you know what? My family goes back. We used to make crystal in England in the 1800s, so I'm a very famous Webb.
Really?
And for some odd reason, my grandfather was sent over on remittance. So they wanted to get rid of him. And we went back in England in the 1800s.
I don't
you can believe it. It's hard to believe.
I can't believe that.
I don't know why.
I refuse to believe that.
It certainly doesn't run in the family.
No, gosh, not at all. That's I see you love your Webb.
Yeah.
How much does this thing weigh?
You and I can lift it.
But that's not an answer. Like,
Yeah.
your way.
I know, you're a weakling. Put your hand on that. Lift that up.
All right,
This is
ready?
just the block. Ready?
Oh, it's light. That's not bad.
Not bad.
That's not bad at all, actually. Yeah.
Once you put the batteries in it,
It weighs a lot.
it'd
Yeah.
be the same as a small block Chevy.
Okay.
So with the batteries and the components, there's some air in there.
Right.
And then with the motor and the transmission, or the gear ratio,
Right.
1.9, they're about the same weight as a small block Chevy.
It's not bad at all.
Not
right?
bad.
So you're not gaining weight. You're just kind of keeping it even.
That's right. And you got weight distribution. And once again, I was trying to go like, you know, bolt it in.
Right.
You don't. Well, you know how to, but I don't know how to program these things. I don't know how to balance the batteries.
Yeah.
A lot of us old farts don't know how to do that. So we have guys who can do that at the factory,
Right.
and you just old guys. Can
So my dad, like, he's old.
Yeah.
Right, like you.
Yeah.
And
Old
so,
guys.
so he. So,
Well, that depends.
It depends. So if he wanted one of these, right?
Yes.
He's like, hey, you know what? I have an old Ford Coupe,
Oh, nice.
and I want to remove the gas engine.
Yes.
And I go, Dad, why are you doing this?
Yeah.
I take the engine out.
We hate electric cars.
I
Why we want to
hate
get
them.
rid of our gas? We hate them. Yeah.
And then you guys do everything start to finish. Let's just say, hey, I want a 40 kilowatt,
Yeah.
battery in there.
Yeah.
How do you guys just make the cases, or are you guys turnkey?
Yeah, so myself, I designed, invented, patented the case itself, and then I joined it with Canadian Electric Vehicles from, they just live down the road.
Wait, hold on.
Kind of thing.
From Canada?
Canada, oh yes. Hey, yeah,
They're supposed to be nice, those Canadians.
but it's,
It's supposed to be nice.
I'll let you talk to Todd, he's nice, but he put all the stuff inside these
Right.
things. So
Okay.
his shop, yeah, he's been building electric trucks for 25 years, long time before Tesla ever did it.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, but he's the guy, brains of the opera, puts all the stuff in it. But arguably, I guess you could maybe just I could sell you a shell,
Right.
and then you could put your own components in, and maybe that might be a business too. I don't
Right.
know, or
But you
also
also offer it as like a thing to say.
Yeah, like-
it's like you could make it happen.
Yeah,
Right.
like for instance, my friend Brian, he sent up the 69 Camaro on the Bel Air. He sent it up to Todd's shop.
Yeah.
I sent Todd the casings. We put it all together and put it in his two cars. Then we sent this motor down to California, and then Brian walked across the street to his friend Brian Garst. He's a bit of a hot rod builder, and he installed the motor in there. We wanted to prove that, you know what, you can get a crate motor and bolt it in. It's just a single motor house, single transmission house, and we made it not that complex. But like he said, it's just no different than doing an LS swap.
Right. This looks amazing.
Well, thanks so much, Rich.
Is there an option where none of your logos
Yes.
are on it? 'Cause that's kind of
For an extra $100, I can have
You'll grind
Richie
them all
Rich put on there, or whatever
Right.
your name is again.
Yeah, whatever my name is, but it's not going to say Webb and Richie Rich, right? I want to make sure
It'll
we're on
only
the
say
same,
Richie Rich.
make sure we're on the same page here. Your logos,
Yeah,
everybody.
well, yeah, for sure. Yeah, exactly.